This is the elevator at Parkside Commons office in Meadville, Pennsylvania. Laurel Taylor wants to go into that. There's like this auditorium where there, I guess this used to be a school. It's 330A. This building's from 1921, so obviously this is not original. Lower level. Here we go. Here's the lower level. Move up to 2. Here we go up. Long startup. Pretty quiet and short chimes. Here 2, let's get a car shot there. Right on the ground. It's a pretty standard cab. It has like this carpeted floor. The cab is slightly more on the interesting side for 330A. Still laminate pattern though. This makes it look like some stone. Yes, here we go. Fire alarm panels beeping. Room is the only thing that opens on the side. Close enough, gonna be it.